Depending on what brand of rivet shelving you purchase, each shelf can hold anywhere from 600 to 1,200 pounds. Now that, plus the modular design, makes these ideal for any situation, be it warehouse, stockroom, even your basement. We're going to take a look right now at how to assemble these units, but first, you want to make sure that you have the appropriate parts.
You should have 4 angle posts, 2 depth beams per shelf, 2 width beams per shelf, and center supports. Add in a trusty rubber mallet and you're all set. Begin by assembling the frame. Lay out 2 angle posts with a beam between them. Insert the rivets into the holes on the post and use your rubber mallet to secure them in place. Repeat this process to construct the other half of the frame, securing the beam with the mallet. Finish the frame by adding a width beam at the top of your unit. The same process applies. Insert rivets, then lock into place with the rubber mallet. Laying the frames side by side, attach a depth beam, the shorter beam at the bottom. You'll want to rotate the frames upward to connect them. Allow the frames to lean inward against each other as you set the depth beam into the second frame. Once secured, you can stand the unit upright. The final step is to attach the last depth beam, creating the rectangular structure of your shelving unit. This makes it easy to connect and affix the depth beams for the top. Doing so creates the frame of a sturdy shelving unit. At this point, you can determine what height you want each shelf. Tentatively place beams where they would best meet your storage needs. Use those beams as guides to create your shelf levels. Work your way up and around the shelf levels, adding rivet beams in adjacent slots. Notice the ledges of the beams face inward. This will support your decking material. After all shelves are constructed, but before adding your decking material, you'll add center supports. These struts attach in the center holes using hardware included in your package. Align the holes in the end of each support with the holes in the rivet beam. Insert a screw to keep it in place. Next, use the wing nuts to thoroughly secure the support. Center supports help to disperse weight evenly across your shelf and reinforce the decking. Add decking to each level by tilting it so that it fits between the corner posts. The shelf ledges will hold it up, and the angle post will keep it in place. That's all there is to it. Rivet shelving can be used in any dry setting for bulk storage. Great for businesses and households alike. Get your rivet shelving at shelving.com.